Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might need to transfer your Chainlink tokens from one wallet to another. Today, I'm walking you through how to send Chainlink from your Arculus wallet to Trust Wallet. This process is straightforward, but always remember, we're dealing with digital assets, so security is key. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both the Arculus Wallet and Trust Wallet apps installed on your device and that you're logged in. Start by opening your Arculus Wallet. Once you're in, navigate to your dashboard and locate your Chainlink link assets. Double-check your balance to ensure you have enough to send. Don't forget about any network fees. Next, switch over to your Trust Wallet. Go to the Receive section for Chainlink. This will generate a unique wallet address. Copy this address carefully, as it's crucial for the transfer. Head back to Arculus Wallet and select the Send or Transfer option for your Chainlink tokens. Paste the Trust Wallet address into the recipient field, enter the amount you want to send, and review the transaction details. Before you hit Confirm, take a moment to verify everything. Check the network. Chainlink typically uses Ethereum, so ensure both wallets are on the same network to avoid any issues. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. You'll see a confirmation screen. Approve it, and your Chainlink will be on its way. Now, sit tight and wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion, but you can track it using a blockchain explorer like Etherscan. Pro tip: always use a secure connection and never share your private keys. And there you have it. That's how you send Chainlink from Arculus to Trust Wallet in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world. See you next time.